everybody, back in the episode world, and today, as you saw by the intro, we have the new Ghostface mask. This mask is super cool in my opinion. Yeah. Right now, I'm comparing it to the Ghostface plush. It looks pretty identical, as you can see. Yeah. And, yeah. This guy's really cool. It's not that much of an unboxing. All I gotta do is really just take this tag off that's attached to the hood. So yeah, we're gonna try this thing on. Well, you already saw me with it on, but I'm gonna have like a black sweater with this mask to see how the combo looks. And yeah, it's like a hooded mask instead of like a little like rubber band where you like put it like most masks. What happens is you have to like take out the hood and then you put it on. And then you reveal yourself as an epic dramatic thing, you know. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my scissors. Pause the video. Now I got the resource that we always use in unboxing videos, scissors, even as for masks, which I don't normally really do. That didn't. It smells like someone's okay. Anyways, let's just cut this off real quick. Always be sure to be careful with scissors. Oh, okay, it's off part of the tag. Let's see. Terrible. Oh! I just took out the mask completely and destroyed the mask. So, yeah, we're going to, let me just try this, and then let's see how this looks. Something broke. Anyways, as you can see, I got my black sweater, which is basically, yeah, basically Scream. We're going to put the mask on, and, yeah. It's like a hooded mask. I mean, I already told you that, didn't I? Hello, Sydney. Die. Even without the actual thing, it actually still looks really good. Not gonna lie, that looks really good. Yeah. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of today's unboxing video. Bye, everybody. Hope you guys have a world. See you next time. Bye, guys. Okay, I need to stop.